back to life.
Hey you guys, welcome back to today's makeup tutorial. You guys can tell by the title of this video, we are going to be playing around with some awesome brands that you guys can find at Ulta. But not only that, I'm actually really excited because we are partnering with Estee Lauder, you guys. This is amazing because if you guys have been on my channel for quite some time, you guys know I raved about Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation for so long here on my channel. It was like one of my ride or die foundations that would always cover my acne. So when they asked if I wanted to collab with them, I was like, yeah, let's do this. So we've teamed up together to bring you this makeup look, and they allowed me to use one of their new palettes, which is the new Goddess Glow palette, which they have right here. If you guys like those neutral eyeshadows, I definitely think you guys are going to like this. It's got a really nice combination of mattes and shimmers. I was really pleased with how easy it was to blend out these shadows. So I hope you guys like this look. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoy it. And if you guys want to know any of the products that I use in today's video, I'm going to have all of that good stuff linked down below. All right, let's go ahead and get diving into this face because both you and I know that we need to do some rescuing. So we're going to be using the Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine Smoothing Refiner. For foundation today, we're going to go in with the Tried and True. We're going to be using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place foundation. You guys know I rave about this foundation all the time. The shade that I'm using today is in 3N1 Ivory Beige, and I'm going to go ahead and just use that with a sponge. You guys can just see the difference between here and there. Isn't that crazy? I love this foundation. It's amazing. For highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Highlighter. All right, let's go ahead and move right into the eyes. I'm going to be taking the Catrice Essentials Nude Collection palette. So I'm going to go ahead and take the lightest shade in the palette. So now we're going to deepen up the crease, and I'm going to go in with the Estee Lauder Goddess Glow palette. Look at how pretty this is. And then once you open it up, there it is. Here are the shades. You guys can see really pretty neutral shades. I'm going to go ahead and start off with this shade right here, and I'm going to take that all over my crease area and really deepen up my crease. What I'm going to do first is just kind of pack on the color right on the lid area. And then once I get it on the lid and I have really no color, that's where I'm going to start to blend it out and kind of flick it up. I'm going to go ahead and take shade number 8, which is the darkest shade right here. And I'm going to use it along the lash line and kind of create like a faux wing. I'm going to try. We'll see how it goes. This is just a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to go in and kind of just smoke it out even further. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take just a little bit of powder, and I'm just going to put it right underneath my eye. I could have done this before, but I didn't, so oops. The biggest thing that I found, because for so long I felt like I could never do this eye look, was it takes a lot of blending. That's all. That's all it is. So I think I have it blended out to how I like it. So I'm going to go ahead and just sweep that off. And if you want to make it a little bit darker, which I do, I'm going to go in with a flat definer. And I'm just going to take a little bit more of that chocolate brown, and I'm just going to push it up along my lash line to really give it some definition when we go in with mascara. For the lid shade, I'm going to start off with the base, and I'm going to be taking the Cargo Cosmetics Swimmables Longwear Eyeshadow Stick. If you guys are wondering, I know I always have like nails done, but because of all the house renovation and stuff, I haven't been able to do my nails, and it doesn't make any sense because while I was moving, my nails like broke off, and then I've been painting and all that stuff, so I just painted my nails and called it good. I'm going to get my nails done, so I'm going to go in and now take this shade right here. And I'm going to use that to apply all over my lid. And it's like this frosty, kind of a pinkish tint kind of a color. Then I'm going to go in with this first shade, which is a beautiful icy shade. When I was looking at this palette, you guys, I was like, oh my gosh, look at this color, you guys, watch. Isn't that a beautiful color? For the waterline, I'm going to be taking this black pencil. This here is by Mally Beauty, and I'm just going to run it on my lower lash line. I'm going to take this deep chocolate brown, and I'm going to run it right on the lower lash line to blend out that black. Then I'm going to go back in with this brown one more time, and I'm going to blend that out even more so. We're going to go ahead and add some mascara. I'm going to be taking the new Climax mascara by NARS. So here is what the wand looks like. I must say, I'm already a fan. You guys know how much I love my fluffy wands. Oh, that's nice. So we're going to go ahead and pop on some lashes, and the lashes I'm going to use today is by Pure Cosmetics. These here are in the style Bombshell. All right, so now we have the lashes on, and I tell you guys, I love these lashes. I feel like they make a look completely different. I feel like I'm totally ready to go out tonight, but I'm just gonna go pick up the kids. So for blush, I'm gonna be going in with the Bare Mineral blushes, and both of these shades are in Beige for Days, which is this deeper, almost like a bronze shade. And then I'm gonna be taking Strike a Rose. And what I like to do is I like to blend these two together because this is going to give me more of that like blended look into my bronzer, and then this is going to add a little bit of flush of pink to my skin. So to finish off with the lips, the very first shade I'm going to go in with is the CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte, and this is more of a much lighter shade. And then I'm going to add a little bit of gloss to this. I'm going to go in with the NARS Lip Glide. This here is in the shade Roseland. My local Ulta actually just stocked in all the Ofra highlighters. They were over there like almost on the backside by where the nail polishes are, and I was just happened to be walking right through and I saw them and I stopped and I was like, oh my goodness, and I loved their new packaging. So I didn't pick any of them up just because I have most of them, but this one here is my favorite, which is called Rodeo Drive, and this is their older packaging, but you guys have got to try the Ofra highlighters. If you guys haven't tried them, they are amazing if you guys like that super duper glow to the god kind of a thing. Yeah, so that there is a look. Let me know what you guys think about this look. Again, it is a little bit more neutral, but I wanted to start off doing something easy and something you guys can recreate, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts below, and let me know if you guys are ready to see some fall looks. I'll get some of those rolling out for you guys. Otherwise, make sure to subscribe before you guys head out. If you guys want to know what products I used, I will have everything linked down below, and if you guys have any comments or questions, go ahead and put them in the description box. Otherwise, I will see you guys all in my next video, and I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.